Thank you for purchasing the Baan Lowering Links. In this video, we'll show you how to correctly install the Baan Lowering Links. Here's a list of the tools required for installation. Please take note of our safety warning in the description and always work safely using proper PPE. Start by disabling the air suspension. Refer to the manual of your specific car model for detailed instructions on how to do this. Next, lift the car off the ground and carefully remove the original link from the ball joint. Here, you can see the original lowering link next to the Baan Lowering Link. Measure the center line of the original link so you can adjust the length of the Baan Lowering Link according to the digital, car-specific manual to achieve the desired lowering for your car. Once the desired length is set, tighten the lock nut to make sure the length cannot change once installed. Now, remove the lock pin, click the Baan Lowering Link onto the ball joint, and then insert the lock pin. Reinstall the Baan Lowering Link completely. After installation, turn on the air suspension again. Finally, check if the desired lowering is achieved. For fine-tuning, you can easily adjust the length, just make sure to tighten the lock nut again when done.